I'm out there, Skip Junkie, Mama's little baby in Arkansas, going that way back. Hello.
Shaking the radio room, man. You keyed up there and just about shake that RCI right off the desk there, Stephen. I sent you a private message today about those palm trees that grow in Arkansas. I went down to my greenhouse today and into my prop house because I grow them from seed, so check it out when you have time.
Look at these here, Roger, Dodger, brother. Well, I appreciate it. I'm just in here kind of making some spicy chicken spaghetti and gonna have green chilies and all that stuff in it. But I will check the messages there. I can find it. I'm new to the green to that kind of stuff, but I'll find it. But anyway, man, you're blowing me out down here on Three Rivers Mountain in Arkansas there, Roger.
Holy smokers, you sound like you're sitting next to me. I'm ready to come over for some of that spaghetti, man. I'm Italian. I like pasta.
Hey, look at it. I love it too, brother. I love it too, and I love Mexican chicken and deer chili and, man, sloppy joes, and I like, all kinds of good food, but about the only thing I want to eat is cranberries or beef. But when that's said, I won't hold you up, brother. Merry Christmas to you, and you're on the live feed there. Merry Christmas to everybody. Big Mama's little baby out here in Arkansas just broke down 98, and I'll step back.
Take care, buddy. You sound like a good cook, too. Yeah, just check your Facebook messages. I sent it you in a Facebook message, and you might find it interesting. Hey, you have a good one, as usual. Sounding good, bro. And we'll talk to you again. And if we don't talk to you before Christmas, which I think we will, Merry Christmas and all the best in 2023. 612 Skip Junkie. We're stepping.
Roger that, Skip Junkie. Well, let me, in case I need it, I hadn't tried it. Yeah, that ought to be done pretty good right there where it's at. All right, brother. Mama's little baby on Three Rivers Mountain, Arkansas. Back quiet.
Cheers. Blowing smoke, as usual. Waving at you, 115 Arkansas, 612 with the afternoon wave. Right back at you, bro. Right back to you and your family. All the best, man. 612, reading the mail. Good people in Arkansas.